to my channel. Today we are going to discuss how to find new profit sharing ratio at the time of admission of a partner. This is the second part of the video. We have already discussed what is profit sharing ratio, what is new profit sharing ratio, what is sacrifice ratio, how to distribute profit in the profit sharing ratio, and the different cases of new profit sharing ratio. The link for first video given in the description box. Please check it. First, we will see the first case. In the first case, share of the new partner is given and sacrifice of the old partners are not given. Anil and Vishal are partners sharing profits in the ratio of 3:2. They admitted Sunil as a new partner for 1/5 share in the future profits of the firm. Calculate new profit sharing ratio of Anil, Vishal and Sunil. Calculate sacrificing ratio. In this problem, partners' old profit sharing ratio is given. Only the new partner's share of future profit is given in this problem. This is the first situation. Let us see how to find out new profit sharing ratio in this first situation. In this situation, we have to assume the total profit as 1. The total profit of the firm is 1. Share of profit given to the new partner is 1/5. Share given to Sunil 1/5. In this situation, we have to find out the remaining share. To find out the remaining share, we have to subtract the share of Sunil from the total profit. That is total profit minus new profit partner's share. Total profit of the firm 1 minus new partner's share is 1/5. Here we have different denominators, that is here 1/1 and here 1/5. We have to find out LCM. LCM is 5. So to convert the denominator, we have to multiply into 5. We will get 5 minus 1. The remaining share is 4/5. Next, we have to find out the new profit sharing ratio of old partners. New profit share of old partners is equal to old share into remaining share. For partner Anil, new profit share is equal to old share. Old share for Anil is 3. The total proportion of the profit is 5. 3/5. Remaining share is 4/5. 3 into 4, we will get 12. 5 5s are 25. So Anil's share of new profit is 12/25. Next, we have to find out the Vishal new profit. In the same way, Vishal new profit is equal to old share. Share of Vishal is 2. Total profit is 5. Remaining share 4/5. 2 into 4, 8. 5 5s are 25. New profit sharing ratio is equal to for the 3 partners Anil, Vishal and Sunil. For Anil, new profit share is 12/25. For Vishal, 8 by 25. The new partner's share is 1 by 5. In this new profit sharing ratio, the denominator for the new partner is different. So convert the denominator. To get 25, we have to multiply with 5. 5 5s are 25. So 12 is to 8 is to 1 5s are 5. Okay. New profit sharing ratio is 12 is to 8 is to 5. Next, we have to find out the share sacrificed by old partners. Share sacrificed by the partner is equal to old profit share minus new profit share. Okay. Old profit share minus new profit share. Share sacrificed by partner Anil is equal to old share of Anil 3 by 5. New profit share of Anil 12 by 25. In the same way, next find out the share sacrificed by Vishal. Vishal's old share is 2 by 5 and new profit share is 8 by 25. We will see how to calculate share sacrificed by the old partners. First, share sacrificed by partner Anil is equal to 3 by 5 minus 12 by 25. To subtract, the denominator must be same. Here the denominator is different. So we have to find out the LCM. 5 and 25, LCM is 25. Okay. So we have to convert the denominator to 25. In first case, we have to multiply with 5 to get the denominator. 5 5s are 25 and 3 5s are 15. Next one, 12 by 25. Subtract 15 minus 12, 3 by 25. Share sacrificed by partner Anil 3 by 25. Next, share sacrificed by Vishal. So Vishal old share is 2 by 5 and new share is 8 by 25. Here also the denominator is different. LCM is 25. We have to convert the denominator, multiply with 5. We will get 2 5s are 10. 10 by 25 minus 8 by 25. Okay. So 10 minus 8, we will get 2 by 25. This is the share sacrificed by partner Vishal. Now, sacrificing ratio of the old partners 3 by 25 and 2 by 25. The ratio is 3:2. Let's move on to the second situation. In the second situation, new partner's share of profit is given and also sacrifice of the old partners. The sacrifice of the old partner is unequal. Okay. We will see how to find out new profit sharing ratio in this situation. P and Q are partners sharing profits in the ratio of 3:2. They admitted R as a new partner for 3 by 10 share, which she acquired 2 by 10 from P and 1 by 10 from Q. Calculate new profit sharing ratio of P, Q and R. The new partner's share of profit is given, that is 3 by 10. Also, the sacrifice by the old partner is given. Sacrifice, P sacrificed 2 by 10 and Q sacrifice is 1 by 10. This is unequal. In this situation, how to find out new profit share? New profit share of P is equal to old share minus share sacrificed. The old share of partner P is 3. Total profit is 5. Sacrificed by the partner P 2 by 10. Now we will calculate new profit share. To subtract, the denominator must be the same. Find out the LCM. LCM for 5 and 10 is 10. Okay. So we have to change the denominator. Multiply with 2. Here also multiply with 2. So 3 2s are 6. Here the denominator is already 10 only. So no need to change. 2 by 10, 6 by 10 we will get. So new profit share of partner P is 4 by 10. Next, in the same way, we have to find out the new profit share of partner Q. Old share of partner Q is 2 by 5. And share sacrificed by Q, partner Q, 1 by 10. Here also the denominator is different. LCM is 10. So multiply with 2 to get denominator of 10. 2 2s are 4. 4 by 10. 1 by 10. 4 minus 1 we will get 3 by 10. So new profit share of partner Q is 3 by 10. New profit sharing ratio is equal to sharing ratio of partner P, Q and R. For P, new profit share 4 by 10. Q, new profit share 3 by 10. R, 3 by 10. So the new profit sharing ratio is equal to 4:3:3. We will move to the next situation, that is new partners, a new share is given and equal sacrifice of the old partner is given. Kala and Mala are partners sharing profits in the ratio of 3:2. They admit Nila as a new partner for 1/5 share in the future profits of the firm, which he gets equally from Kala and Mala. Calculate new profit sharing ratio of Kala, Mala and Nila. In this case, the new partner's new share is given. Also, the sacrifice is equal. Equal sacrifice made by the partners Kala and Mala. In this case, how to determine new profit sharing ratio? Start with the proportion of share sacrificed by the partners. Proportion of share sacrificed is equal proportion. That is 1:1. Equal proportion. We have to find out the share sacrificed by the partner. This is the proportion of share sacrificed. We have to find out the share sacrificed by the partners. Share sacrificed is equal to new partner's share into proportion of the share sacrificed. Share sacrificed by Kala new partner's share. New partner's share is 1 by 5. Proportion of the share sacrificed 1:1, that is 1 by 2. 1 by 10. Next, share sacrificed by partner Mala. New partner share 1 by 5. Proportion of the share sacrificed 1 by 2. We will get 1 by 10. Next, find out the new profit share of each partner. New profit share is equal to old share minus share sacrificed by the partners. First, new profit share of partner Kala old share of Kala 3/5 share sacrificed 1/10. Here the denominator is different, so we have to change the denominator. LCM is 10. We have to multiply with 2. We will get 3 2s are 6. 6/10. 1/10. How much? 5/10. This is the new profit share of partner Kala. Next, find out new profit share of partner Mala. Old share of Mala 2/5. Share sacrificed by Mala 1/10. Here also the denominator is different. Find out the LCM. 10 is LCM. Multiply with 2. 2 2s are 4. 5 2s are 10. 4/10 minus 1/10. We will get 3/10. This is the new profit share of Mala. Okay. Now we have to find out the new profit share of new partner. New partner share. New partner Nila. The total of share sacrificed by the old partners is new profit share of Nila. Share sacrificed by Kala is 1/10. Share sacrificed by Mala 1/10. The total 2/10. New profit share of Nila 2/10. Now new profit sharing ratio of Mala, Kala and Nila. New profit share of Kala 5/10, Mala 3/10, Nila 2/10. New profit sharing ratio 5:3:2. Up to now, we have discussed 3 different situations to determine new profit sharing ratio at the time of admission of new partner. We will continue with the next 2 situations in the third part of the video. Don't forget to watch the third part of the video. Thank you.